Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I'd like to show you how to make ba. The main ingredient is tsampa, which is roasted barley flour. I bought this in Cafe Tibet, Berkeley, California. Also, you can buy tsampa online at Tibetan Tsampa.com. In Tibet, most people eat tsampa every day. When I was growing up, I ate tsampa 3 times a day, every day. There's many ways to make pa. I want to show you today. You need 4 ingredients: tsampa, butter, and sugar, and black tea. This is making 1 person, so you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using the raw sugar, but you can use any sugar you want it. And then is 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now I'm putting the black tea, 3/4 cup. Then I put tsampa. This is 1 cup of tsampa. So now I'm going to show you how to make the ba. It's very easy. Just you have to roll like this, and as you roll, just mix them well. That's all you have to do. It is pretty straight. Not too much tea, so we're going to add more tsampa. Okay, still have to put a little more. I'm going to put a tiny little bit more tsampa, okay? Okay, it's almost done. So when you finish it, you can just do like this. Like this. So then you can eat with the tea. Like that. It's pretty good. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to get more recipe, please check out yourwangdu.com. Thank you for subscribing our newsletter.